Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's history video brought to you by the Clinton Public Library. This week we will be reviewing a few articles published in the June 19th, 1953 edition of the Daily Clintonian. The first two articles covered municipal advancements and the stubborn antics of our local citizens, and the last describes a darkly humorous incident between a father and his young son in the days immediately preceding Father's Day. The first image is titled "Resurfacing Starts on Main Street," and the blurb below reads, "Resurfacing of Main Street in Clinton was started yesterday when the Bitumen Material Company of Terre Haute moved in its heavy equipment and began the job, which is expected to be completed today. The sealer coat will come this fall." None of those in the above photograph, not even the quote, "sidewalk contractors" at the left, were identified. The reason sidewalk contractors is in quotation marks is because it is a term referring to people who are not employed at the site, but who stand outside the construction zone and annoy the workers by watching them, asking questions, and making suggestions. The next article is titled "Looky, no hands," with a photo of a man with his hands raised as he stands at the top of a factory smokestack. The article reads, "An unidentified worker of the William E. Burger Company, Brazil Chimney Division, waves from his perch atop the 125-foot smokestack of the old Clinton City Waterworks building on Water Street." Work began yesterday wrecking the old Clinton landmark, which was struck by lightning recently, split from 10 to 12 feet, and considered dangerous. The building, over half a century old, is the property of Oliver J. Southard, who purchased it from Henry Johnston after he bought it from the city in recent years. Materials of the chimney are being hauled to the river at East Blackman Street, where they will be used to form a road from Water Street to the Wabash River, a continuation of East Blackman Street. The materials are being donated for the purpose by Southard. As this edition was published the day before Father's Day, it seems only fitting we share an article about an incident between a father and his son that was sure to be brought up in the family for many years. It is titled, "Newport Boy Injured by Power Lawnmower," and it reads, "Little Stephen Weaver, Newport, was painfully injured this morning when he became entangled in a power mower which his father, Bob Weaver, was mowing the lawn. Weaver had pushed the mower toward his parked car and, discovering that it was too close to the car, backed up, falling over his son who was on a tricycle in back of him. Stephen's toe was caught in the mower and was severely cut. He was treated by Dr. J. L. Saunders, who said his injury was painful but not serious." This small slice of life in Clinton, Indiana in 1953 sheds light on the playful way the citizens of the town interacted with the employees of the Daily Clintonian, and some of the improvements being made to our streets that we are still reaping the benefits of today. We at the Clinton Public Library would also like to wish you a happy Father's Day, though we would strongly advise against running your children over with the lawnmower. Thank you so much for watching.